Hello, and welcome to the Nuvve Fleetbox web portal. In this portal, you can see the real-time operations of your vehicle and your fleet of EVs, which you're looking at right now. In this tab over here, this is the overview. You will also see your vehicles, trip schedules, chargers, sites, reports, and then last, the Help Center. So let's go through it together. Here in the overview section, you will be able to see the real-time power of any vehicles that are charging. You will be able to see the amount of chargers, what is charging, if it is going through vehicle to grid, plugged, available, unplugged, as well as alerts. Here you will be able to click on the graph and see the exact kilowatt being distributed with its date and time. Next, we'll go ahead and click on vehicles. For vehicles, you will be able to see the bus that is plugged in, and you will also be able to hover over the icon and see the VIN as well. You will see here that there is a live charging happening. The target is at 53%, and the state of charge right now is at 22%. There is one vehicle located at this location. It also shows the site, when it would be ready, and when the next trip would be scheduled for. In the trip schedules, you have the ability to go in and manually add a trip schedule as you see fit. We're going to go ahead and do that. So the first thing that you're going to do is click on the new trip schedule. This will open up a window and you'll be able to schedule one time or create a reoccurring schedule. Here we will go ahead and put in field trip as a one-time schedule. You would click on the calendar and you have the ability to select a day and time. So we're going to go ahead and select next Monday, October 9th, 2023. And the field trip will start at 2 p.m. So go ahead and click on the time here and scroll down to 2 p.m. Then you want to select your time for it to end. Go ahead and again select on October 9th, 2023, and then we are going to have it end at 4:30 p.m. So click through and you see the time has been selected. Select the vehicle you would like to utilize. Here it is a Bluebird. Go ahead and select. And then the estimated range for the needed trip. So let's say that the trip is 50 miles. You would go ahead and select that there, and then go ahead and hit Save Schedule. And there you go. You'll be able to see the field trip one-time scheduling. You will also see here that it has been previously made for the morning route as well as the afternoon route. And then if you click on these three lines here, you will have the capability to also edit your trip as well as delete the trip schedule. Moving on, we will go to the chargers tab. You will see here that there are two chargers available. One, again, is currently charging. So you'll be able to see the charge that it is at and the current power and energy, as well again as the state of charge and the type of vehicle, the site, as well as when it is going to be ready for departure. Here on sites, you'll be able to see a little bit more of a visual view. So you'll be able to see the bus that is actually charging. So again, even though it has multiple options to see not only within trip schedules, but in chargers and vehicles, you'll be able to see the site here. And if there are multiple sites that you are overseeing in your school district, you will be able to toggle between each one and then go ahead and apply the filter there. Moving on to the reports, this is where, again, you will be able to select your site. This one we will select UD Star, and then we will go ahead and select 2023 and click on Generate Report. You will see that once it generates the report that there are two reports here, one for Charger 1 and one for Charger 2. You have the capability to hover over each graph on the bar, and you'll be able to dial it down to see the kilowatt hour, the energy used, as well as the energy that has been discharged. You also have the ability to go in and download as a CSV file so that you can distribute it as necessary. And finally, when you click on the Help Center, this is going to be another great way for you to communicate with our team. You want to go ahead and select your region, whether it be Europe or North America. Go ahead and click here and then simply fill out the form. And this is going to be, again, another great way for you to connect with our customer experience team. Fill out the form, hit submit, and you would be able to hear from us as soon as we get. Thank you so much, and please let us know if you have any additional questions.